Mastering Zoho CRM, a comprehensive guide to boost your sales efficiency. Master Zoho CRM with structured training designed for every stage of your journey. From getting started to becoming a power user, we've got you covered. Beginner training. Our beginner training is perfect for new users. We focus on building confidence with the essentials, including navigating the Zoho CRM interface, managing leads, contacts, and accounts, setting up simple sales pipelines, creating basic reports and dashboards, using the Zoho CRM mobile app. Our intermediate training takes you deeper. You'll learn how to tailor and automate your CRM to work smarter for your business, with training on customizing modules, fields, and layouts, automating workflows and assignment rules, designing and using email templates, advanced filters and views, building detailed reports and analytics. For experienced users, our advanced training unlocks the full power of Zoho CRM. We'll guide you through advanced automation with Blueprint and Command Center, territory management and sales forecasting, integrating with third-party apps and APIs, advanced analytics with Zoho Analytics, best practices for scaling CRM across teams. No matter your experience level, our training programs will accelerate your Zoho CRM journey and help you achieve real results. Enroll today in beginner, intermediate, or advanced training. Your Zoho CRM journey starts here. Want to learn more? Visit our website